enjoyed yourselves. Thank you for staying till the very end. It's an impressive lineup of steam, and it really is, I think, probably one of the largest gatherings we've had of steam in Kent for a very, very long time. So
there's a strong steam scene down in Suffolk. There's also a very strong one in Hampshire, Dorset, and all that. I even bought cheese that come from Dorset. Like that from Hampshire. But me and a mate are discussing about toolboxes. Whenever I go to shows, I'll just load them, do any shopping, just load it up, and take it back to the hotel.
Thank you, everyone who's joined
Garlic
us.
flavoured pork scratchings are nice as well.
From far and wide to be part of it. Thank you
it's the garlic farm. They turned up.
Yeah, it's really a very special year.
They do garlic cheese. Are they getting chili cheese? Do they do garlic cheese?
Celebrating their 125th year. The Lambert Collection, 70 years.
I think I might have one at home.
It was disbanded. And
but I had
I'd just like to say thank you.
I think I had a limoncello cheese.
Without whom I would
it's like limoncello cheese, really.
I like brie.
I've got two types. Not from down there. I bought it. I bought a shop own brand one. One called the well-known one. I'm going to compare the two.
Holding a steam rally each year. Commentary team, you've been absolutely wonderful this year.
Quite fancy some later.
And it just leaves me to pass back to Neil, and hopefully there'll be a little bit of noise in the arena. Cover your ears if you're a little bit sensitive, but just as a final thank you to everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bill Giles. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the commentary team, I'd like to thank all the exhibitors that have come into this arena with their fine vehicles and steam engines. It's been a privilege, as always, to be here and talk about so many wonderful vehicles and see so many wonderful vehicles, many of which are well over 100 years old now, some knocking on for 118. So it's been an absolute pleasure. I'm joined, as you see, by 312 City of Canterbury Squadron, who are going to take the salute. And we're going to do that in the traditional fashion. Engineers, are you ready?
Not yet, no.
Show salute!
Doesn't like you much, yeah.
But where?
How do they get that whizzing noise?
It's how the whistles have been set up. Yeah, because some got steam engine whistles, some have train whistles, some have boat whistles. The boat whistles and ship whistles are like, oh my god, they are very loud.
And once again,
Not that.
have a round of applause, please, for 312 City of Canterbury Squadron.
You can see them in the smoke.
Thank you
Look
very
at
much.
that.
So if I can ask the engine drivers to stay where you are, if you don't mind, please. Just stay where you are for now, thank you.
Whoa, guys, hang on. Don't go yet.
Can we ask the engine drivers to stay where you are, please, in the arena?
We have got things for you. Just for some. We're sorted out. Yeah. We want you to stay. We're going to bring the public in now, so don't rush off.
Oh, they jumped it a bit, didn't they?
Please stay where you are. They're eager.
I think some of them don't want to be in. That didn't happen at Netley much. They all stood. They all stayed. And were just basically drifting around the steam engine. So, ooh, isn't that nice?
So this lovely truck driver's going to reverse off, are you? Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, just give us a couple of minutes.
I like
We're
that.
just going to reverse this steam truck back and then we'll be inviting you into the arena. Please, if you come into the arena, beware these engines are very hot. They spit out lots of grubby coal dust and hot steam. So do not touch.
How many steam rallies have I been to in my life? I should know that.
Please be careful, these engines are very hot.
This was the one in 2021 was the first one I went to after the unfortunate episode. That's where I started going to steam rallies. I have reason to believe I probably may have been to one before that.
No pressure for reversing removal.
Never did do selling, so.
Oh, I used to go there with my granddad.
Few over-eager engine drivers today.
5 minutes.
So ladies and gentlemen, you can make your way to the arena from either the north or the south end, or those of you in the centre, feel free to file in from the commentary point here. Please make your way into the arena. You have 5 to 10 minutes to have a look round the engines. Please be careful, they are very hot.
I'm just going to go in. I did the. I'm just. So we're just going to have a look around the arena. I'm not going to be able to catch very much. I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to video the atmosphere.
That's it now, is it? End of the...
Well, they've all got to leave as well, but. Just going to. Oh, wait a minute. I think there's one here that I've seen before. There's a Little Giant. I've seen that one before. If you follow me. There's one with a little generator on it. There's one with a generator set here. There's the dynamo on the back of it and a set of lights and all that. I think I'm trying to think where I saw that one before. I can never remember these things. I'm all over the place. That could have been. Oh, I'm wondering if that was High Weald Steamworking Weekend or whether that was over at Parham Park. Probably not Parham Park, would it? A bit far. Parham Park's like West Sussex, but that Shepherd Neame one has been down to Parham Park. Someone's already trying to go, and us lot being in here. That's just nuts. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, so that one has been here before. So. Oh, and I've also met the guys that run that. And I think I've actually had a few beers made by that brewery before. Yeah.
10 to 5 now, Tim. What time is it on the left? 5?
Just after, I think. Just wanna. I'm not going to catch all these. It's just I want to. Well, I didn't catch this one earlier. There's another one. There's a couple here I hadn't caught. But Dumfries. Hold up, Dumfries County Council. I'm just trying to think. I might have seen this one at Tinker's Park. Yeah, I think this one was. Yeah. That. Did I see that Tinker Park? Yeah. Yeah, so that's the Canterbury Corporation. I'm gonna.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Here, Paul. Here's one of the Lambert collection, or what was. Horsemenden. Yeah, well, we all know where Horsemenden is. Keep meaning to pay a proper visit though. That's a Fowler. So I'm just. There's the Advance, there's the miniature steamers. Oh, here it is. There's Wallace and Stevens and the John Fowler to the right. But here's one I didn't catch earlier. This looks like a miniature Foden. Yeah, it does get a bit hot round here, doesn't it? It's almost. Yes, this is a miniature Foden with the Coleman's mustard livery on it. This one, I think, is the Wallace. That's the Wallace and Stevens. So if we go around here, there's a. Oh, we got Perseverance.
That's it.
Here's a Foden steam wagon. There's a couple here. So here we are. There's a Foden steam wagon and a Foden road locomotive. This is. Yeah, so this is Rob Roy. Oh, hold up. There's a Burrell tractor here. Next to that's a Sentinel. That's on rubber tyres, so according to the law it can do 20 miles an hour. That's its speed limit. Here, Paul. Know what that reminds me of? One, it's a smaller Sentinel. Second, black pudding.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
£10.99 breakfast, all you can eat at one of my favourite hotels. And you can absolutely stuff your face and then deal the rest of the day. There's an Invicta. Well, that would be an Aveling and Porter. Oh my god, what's this? John Fowler, a really big John Fowler as well. Bit smoky in here. Cut and more Aveling and Porters. Actually, there's about 3 of them. Look at that. Yeah. That is brilliant. Happy as pigs in poo. That is good, that. Although some of them will probably want to go home in a minute, so if we just.
My knees are hurting, my legs are hurting, my back's killing.
I feel alright. But then I'm into.
Yeah, but you're on your feet all day, aren't you? Anyway?
I'm always on the go, always. But yeah, I think I've caught the atmosphere of what's in here. Look how impressive that is.
So, engine drivers, can I ask you to please stay where you are? Engine drivers, please stay where you are. I've got members of the public in the arena.
They're already going. So I think I'm just going to shut